India, due to its culture, has a wide variety of cuisines. As per reports in 2023, India has the highest number of vegetarians in the world with a percentage of 38%. We Indians, even most non-vegetarians like me, love our vegetables. But did you know that there are many Indian vegetables which do not have Indian origins? Curious to know what they are? Well, what are you waiting for? Let's get into the video. 1. Potato. Potatoes are one of the most popular veggies in our country. They are diverse in nature. और आलू किसे नहीं पसंद है ना? There is hardly any vegetable or protein that doesn't blend well with potatoes. Our favorite potatoes originated in 5000 to 8000 BC. It was cultivated during this time period by southern Peru by the Inca Indians and in northwestern Bolivia. तभी के टाइम में घड़ियां नहीं होती थी. So these Inca Indians used the time taken to cook potatoes as a measurement of time. So they basically used it as a watch. It was introduced in India by the Portuguese sailors during early 17th century and its cultivation was widely spread to North India by the British. 2. Lady fingers or bhindi. When we are not sure कि आज के खाने में क्या बनाना है, it's always bhindi. Bhindi was discovered 3,500 years ago. It used to be cultivated along the river Nile and became a part of the Ethiopian and Egyptian cuisines. Specifically, because of migrations from the Bantu tribe of Egypt, it traveled to the Middle East all the way to Southeast Asia, which includes China and eastern parts of India. 3. Carrots. कई historians की ये मान्यता है कि carrots started being cultivated in the 12th or 13th century, but it could be much more than this. Carrot, Dacus carota, is a root crop native to Europe, West and Central Asia. It started being cultivated in Afghanistan, Iran and Uzbekistan about 1100 years ago. It was then introduced to India from Persia and Afghanistan. Even though carrot cultivation was common, it was largely used in Mughal kitchens. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are used in most dishes in our Indian cuisine. A wild species apparently originated in the Andes mountain of South America, probably mainly in Peru and Ecuador. It was also cultivated in pre-Columbian Mexico. In the 15th century, there was this thing called as the Columbian Food Exchange. This was an exchange of food between old and new worlds. Primary crops such as corn, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and secondary crops such as pumpkins, tomatoes, peppers, etc. were a part of this exchange. But according to the noted food historian K.T. Acharya, tomatoes weren't a part of the food exchange. Tomatoes entered India through the Portuguese in the early 16th century. 5. Chilies. India is a land of spices, especially its chilies. India is the largest producer of chilies in the world today. But did you know that chilies didn't originate in India? It's a spice native to Mexico. Christopher Columbus encountered these chilies when he discovered America. He called them peppers because of the taste of spice was similar to that of peppers. First evidence of chilies date back to 8000 BC and it was widespread from Argentina to USA. And yet, chilies came to India only about 450 years ago as a part of the Columbian exchange. The Portuguese brought them to India in 1400s. 6. Capsicum. Many people have a love-hate relationship with this vegetable. Capsicum or bell peppers originated in Latin America. This vegetable was widely used in Central and South America, Caribbean and Mexico, having 27 reported species. Capsicum has been used in cooking from 6000 BCE. Capsicum was introduced into India in two ways. First, it was introduced by the Portuguese in South India and second by the Arabian traders in North India. 7. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is technically a man-made vegetable created by human intervention with the help of selective breeding over the course of thousands of years. This food came to be in Western Europe around the 12th or 13th century, but it later became a staple food in the 16th century. Cauliflower has evolved from the cabbage flower. It was native to Asia Minor and originally resembled collards or kale. Now, how did it come to India? Dr. Jemison, a botanist from London, managed the company gardens in Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Now he imported this vegetable in the country and started domesticating it since. 8. Cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable from the white family of Brassicas. It is not certain where it particularly originated, but it is believed that this rich source of vitamins and fiber was mostly domesticated somewhere in Europe. The most common theory is that the West cabbage is domesticated in Europe some 3000 years ago. This cabbage had thick leaves that retained water, which allowed them to survive in colder places. It then spread across China, Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, and Rome. Cabbage was one of several vegetable crops introduced in India by colonizing traders from Portugal who established trade routes from the 14th to 17th centuries. 9. Corn. Corn is also a crop made by human intervention and does not naturally exist in nature. It was started from a wild grass called theosin. Theosin looked very different from our corn today. The kernels were small and were not placed close together, like the corn we use today. Scientists believe people living in central Mexico developed corn at least 7,000 years ago. From Mexico, maize spread north, southwestern United States and south down the coast of Peru. About 1,000 years ago, as Indian people migrated north to the eastern woodlands of present-day North America, they brought corn with them. Some theories say that the Portuguese introduced it in India in the 16th century, but it remained a little cultivated novelty. The real push to grow maize came from the early 19th century as the agri-horticulturist societies established by the British to develop commercial crops in India started importing maize varieties. 10. French beans. As the name suggests, you might be thinking that this vegetable originated in France. But no, it didn't. French beans were grown as an indigenous crop for at least past 5,000 years. It is said that this vegetable is thought to have originated in Central and South America. They call it green beans. In the 16th century, Spanish and Portuguese explorers were introduced to this crop when they arrived in America. They later introduced it to Europe and Africa. In Italy, they were known to be widely grown in vegetable gardens as early as 1569. Later on, in the 19th century, the slim pods became common in France, hence being referred to as French beans. From Europe, the beans later spread to India, Africa, Indochina, and the rest of the world. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below how you liked it. And I will see you next week with a brand new video. Till then, bye-bye.